What's up, guys? How's it going today? Here, it's all mic here. Let the mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. How's it going? What a bloodbath, huh? What a bloodbath. I didn't brush my beard. I didn't shave today. I haven't shaved for like 4 or 5 days. At least just this part, so don't mind me. Ripple just tweeted? What did they tweet? Cool, Albert World. Right on. I've been doing live streams every day, last 4 days in a row, so been liking it. Maybe it's the cold. I just like kinda, I don't know what it is, but anyways, it's been fun doing live streams lately, so I'm not extremely happy right now, but you know, I was hoping XRP would stay up, but I had a nagging feeling. It was like a 50-50 chance it was going to go down. That Coinbase, and I knew it, I've been saying that too, that it was going to be the Coinbase announcement that would happen, that would drop XRP down another leg and maybe even possibly a couple legs down. And that's what's going on. So we'll kind of go check out TA. What's up, XRP? GOV, how's it going, guys? Glad to see you. Welcome to the channel, Shane. Make sure you subscribe. Bloodbath, yeah. Yeah, so have yourself a Merry Christmas. Like I said before, Christmas isn't over till New Year's for me. I like this kind of Christmas lo-fi hip-hop. It's pretty cool. So let's go check it out. They even mentioned maybe they'll raise the price today. Maybe I should get out of my trade because I wrote it down. I made gains on this on my trading portfolio. Of course, I never sold any of my my regular stack, my main stack. Hold on. And no, I'm just gonna ride that to whatever price. It doesn't matter. I don't even care. I'm not gonna look at it. It doesn't matter. So, but we're gonna check this out together because let's go check this out. Let's take a look at this. It came below the support line that I felt like it could ride for a little while and then go up from there, but nope. Oh, but it's back to 20 cents. That's a typical rebound. Yeah, that's typical. So we can go on to the like 5. And yeah, I mean, people are buying it up. Look at that. They're buying it right up from there. They must be confident. But yeah, 18 cents was the first target. I think the next one's about 15 cents. We'll kind of check that out right now. We'll check all that out. It's fairly simple. You just draw some horizontal lines, really. So let's do that. So down here is about 17. It came. So I think it's going to come down to at least this point, guys. Whatever this is, 10 cents, about 10 cents. Because I still think this is all just FUD. It's all for show, and it's just been something we've been told. I've heard it over and over from different sources over the years that, yeah, it never went down there, did it? I was thinking it could very sharply, just quickly wick down below 5 cents. So we were expecting that a while ago. It didn't happen. But I don't think it would stay down there for too long. That's the thing. People will buy. I mean, everyone's saying it. If it goes, they're even saying if it goes below 10 cents, it'll get bought up. So it's going to be extremely volatile if it goes below 10 cents. Because there's still going to be sellers, I bet, who think it's going to go below 5 cents. But the buying pressure is going to just start coming in like crazy, guys. Hey Darcy, how's it going? And Devin, Steve, how are you doing? XRP rockets. All exchanges in lock mode will be handcuffed. Huh. Yeah, no, I mean, that's just, what's up, digital nomad investor? If it goes close to 10 cents, it will bounce up. That's what I'm thinking, but we still have whales who could dump, just take it down to 5 cents. That's my magical number that I've been thinking about for a while, but I've definitely don't have any factual basis on if it's going to go down there. But look at what it's doing right now, guys. Check this out, man. It's going to come up and probably test this, come back to test these bodies here, right here at 22 cents, I bet. I bet it's coming up all the way back to like almost 23 cents. And then coming back down. That's what I bet. But, who knows? It's probably going to be very volatile the next few days, just like it was a week ago when this first dump happened, right around the 21st. Just kind of like that's when Mr. Poole, he tweeted out 16, which was back here. 16 was when you would buy it, right? Because it went up strongly, sharply. And it actually, even on Coinbase, I think I heard it went all the way up to 92 cents over the course of like 2 days or so. And then he tweeted out 16. He tweeted out 16, which is like the absolute bottom, And then he tweeted out 21, which would be probably the safest time to sell it before the carnage began. And probably will continue until maybe the 30th, because that was the next one he tweeted out. Maybe it'll dump really hard today and tomorrow. And then the 30th is when to buy. I don't know. What do you think? Because we still have time to buy. Yeah, we still have time to buy before we can't. And then we hold for a while, If you can't sell it, that's fine, it'll appreciate in value, and then eventually all this stuff will be cleared up, and then we'll be able to sell it when it's very high. This is so manipulated to me. This is just like everything in XRP history. It just seems like this is all a show. So I thought I got rid of these. So how low can it go? I think it'll go and touch 10 cents, maybe within the next few days, to be honest. See, it's coming up, 22. It'll keep coming up and test. It's gonna test this. So it'll probably come up to these bodies here. I don't know. That just based on, it'll probably come up to about 23 cents. And then that would be the time it would do a little bit of a reversal. It could even come up, higher. Could come up to 25 cents. Who knows? I'm no expert. I'm just speculating, just kind of trying to figure it out. So is it possible over the course of a few days that this could drop so sharply down that it'll be another 50% drop? Anything's possible in XRP land. Up or down. That's the funny thing. People only pay attention to the all the downtrend, and they don't pay attention to the few weeks of the year or the bull market or the whole 4-year cycle that it actually blasts upward and wipes out everything that has happened and just completely obliterates any kind of downside pressure we saw throughout the whole bear market. And in most cases, we see this one lag a lot from the others. So I was in a trade. As soon as I saw that news, the Coinbase news, I went into a downside short for XRP. And I expect it to go even more, but I might be wrong. Look at that. That's such a yucky chart, honestly. But that's what I heard was going to happen. I've been hearing that for a long time, that would happen. And, you know, lo and behold, it's happening. It's happening! Just hit 22.5. Let's see if it goes below that. Oh, see, it kind of dipped after that. Damn, CDH. Nice, bro. Mine is a max of 3x, dude. I don't even play around. Like, you know what you're doing, man. Good for you. Just be careful. Be careful. Okay, so I could see that. I could see it coming down here and then making its way up. You know what, though? Everything I see is like the AI saw it before me and it said, that's not happening. Yeah. That's not going to happen, Michael. Because we can read your mind. So, woo. Boy. Yeah, so I think the next stop would maybe be like 15, 13. About 15, I bet, would be the next stop from here. And who knows, maybe we won't go down much more. Maybe this news wasn't as significant as I'm thinking it is. I just don't think, you know, if it wasn't a serious thing, like Coinbase wouldn't be delisting it. At least that's to the public. Okay, that's what the public is supposed to think, or, you know, that they want the public to think. This obviously is, like, you know, going to be used by institutions. So this is a very different currency than the others in the market. It's not, I don't think it's meant to be in our hands, you know. And it's just so strange how they took a snapshot of our XRP and now they're starting to delist it from exchanges. Almost like they wanted to see who had XRP and who didn't, or, you know, and how much they had, in case they have to force a government buyback or something like that. Who knows? Yeah, who knows? But then this could all clear up in a few weeks or something, or who knows what the time frame would be. But then that's when XRP price would be like just, you know, blowing up, I bet. Like, what? Wait, that was all FUD? And then we'll see what kind of regulation news we have. They are really trying to crack down on us, guys. This is the beginning, I think. Gone up 17%. So yeah, it's kind of back testing here. Didn't quite go as high as I thought it would. I thought it might go a little higher. But I would probably have to say, I think I don't see any volume on here though, so I'm not really looking with the indicators. See if I could just throw some volume on there. Yeah. That's a lot of buying pressure. It's back up. It's going back up. The buying is strong right here. People really want their XRP. I don't know who's buying. But that's what you do, right? You buy when there's blood in the streets, even if it's your own. You know? And that's how you make a crap ton of money. You be a contrarian. That's how people become billionaires. They're complete contrarians, because that over and over in history that happens. You go against the grain. Look at that. See? That's what I'm saying. 23 cents and down. 23 and down, watch. But damn, I mean, these candles go up. See, it's going to go down from here. These candles go up and down so quickly on the XRP chart. I mean, this is big, big money, guys. Big money. Okay, so we'll see. If it just keeps going, then that's pretty encouraging. Then I think it'll go to 25 cents. And who knows, maybe it'll close above, you know, maybe it'll close above here. Above this, you know, above 25, that would be great. If it closed above 25, then we would probably we could feel a lot safer with our investment. But it'll probably hit one of these resistances, and that's a big ass candle. I mean, the volume must be. Damn, look at that. So that was the target. That was the next target, was 18 cents. And you just don't know. You don't know how low it's going to go. How low can it go? It's like limbo. We're basically in limbo right now. And I'm done buying. You know, I bought. I don't. You know, I really don't buy much crypto in general anymore. So 17 held. This looks like a little more than just some dead cat bounce, but I'd say it'll go up to that green line and then come back down to support. Come back down here. I don't know. It's tough to tell because it's only moving based on the news, only based on FUD. But also the rest of the market, it's going to 25 cents. This thing is really making moves right now, guys. Look at that. See how much my lines. Let's see how good my lines are. Let's see if it respects the lines I drew. Look at that green. Look at that volume, guys. Look at that buy volume. Have we ever seen a green? Okay, we have. We've seen a little like that, but this is pretty significant. I mean, these are big ass green volume candles. Jeez. Yeah, maybe we can check out the RSIs. Yeah, let's check that out. Oof, way overbought. Way overbought. Sharp, we're gonna see a sharp drop soon, I would say. On the I don't know, I gotta learn how to use TradingView because I use it on Binance all the time, but see what I said? 25 cents. Yeah, 25. So it hit the 25 cent mark. It hit my line perfectly. So, you know, and now it's coming back down. But maybe it'll come between 23 and 25. So if it comes back up from 23, it's already starting to drop sharply. I think this is on the daily, and this is the 1 minute chart. But you know, these things move quick, so yeah. See, I can see a nice downtrend. I can see a downtrend start happening now from here, because it's fluctuating just so much. It's so volatile. Hey, you never know though. Wait, what if it goes like up to $1? The SEC just bought the XRP dip. Yeah, the SEC, they're all in it together. They're like, okay, we're gonna give you one more chance. Trust me. You know what's coming. You weren't really sure, but we're gonna make it happen. And you're our friends, and we're gonna line each other's pockets with money, virtual currency right now. So let's make this happen. It's gonna take a month. All right. It's gonna be a FUD campaign. Every once a week, we are gonna put out some really bad news for XRP. And then everyone and their mom and their grandmoms are gonna hate it. Everyone's gonna know about it too, you know. And any newbies in the space are gonna be very confused about this thing. They won't know what to think about it, because there'll be people in the XRP army saying, "Oh, I'm buying this shit. This is Christmas 2.0." You know. See, it's sharply dropping now. Now it's coming below that. Yeah, it's gonna sharply drop back to 18 cents, I bet. Or at least it'll probably come down to 21 and, you know, 20, 19, 17. Yeah, it was chilling at 1776 for a little while. It was chilling at 1776 right there. That was the support right there. So yeah, because you don't see the relative strength index pop that high very often without it coming down. Now this time it looked like it only retraced 30%, but that was bullish. We were bullish, so you know, we went up, and then it looks like this was about a 30% retrace. But right now, what just happened? No, just okay. I guess we're done with trading view. I don't know how that even happened. I'll just take that indicator off. Maybe. Can I just tap it and then? Let's see. I need to really learn all these little things here. I don't know what I did. How did that happen? Sorry, guys. Okay, so there's too many options on. I feel like I'm getting old. I legitimately feel like that now. There's just too many options here. I don't know. Why don't they make it simple like in the old days? But I can at least... No, I can't do that either. Does anyone know how to use this on mobile? Show the damn new Ripple tweet. There's statements. Okay, let's do that then. Let's go over there. We don't have to stare at the chart, you know. That's not going to help anything. Maybe I'll close it out and I'll come back and yeah, it'll magically be different. First of all, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Let's go check out Ripple. And see what they said. And that's probably why. It's probably the tweet they put out. I'm sure it's very bullish and it gives us transparency. And that's probably what's, maybe it'll go up from here because of that. See, that's what I was saying too yesterday. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, it is. It's going up. Man, what's up with TradingView? I really want to go look again and see what it's doing. Hey, it magically is different. Cool. Maybe a retrace only to about, that'll be a 30% or so. Down to here. Yeah, that'll be a 30% retrace. Down to 21 cents, 21.5. Possibly, and then maybe it'll go up again. Let's go see what Ripple tweeted. So, hopefully you guys are doing well today. Hey, what's up, Legendary? How you doing, man? Hey, Lorenzo. Carlos, what's going on? Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot, I forgot about that. So, at 10:30, about 10:30, I need to stake in one of the main pools. So, if I'm still streaming by then, you'll have to bear with me. It won't take too long. Okay. Let me see what Brad tweeted too, real quick. See if that's just I knew that was gonna happen. How did I know that was gonna happen? It's almost like, they put on this big show, $2,000. Everyone knew McConnell would block it. Now Trump, but is Trump does he have power to make that happen though? To put out a $2,000 check for us? Because then our crypto would go insane. I mean, because they'd have to print more money, man. But it's all a show. It's crazy. It's just, to me, it's just a show by now. I think this will push Ripple out of the U.S. Hasn't changed in our steadfast commitment to constructive regulatory engagement. Our statement regarding, a very important reminder, he said. Oh, this is 4 days ago. Stuart Alderoy. I don't know who that is, but who is he? General Counsel at Ripple. Oh, better follow him. For over 30 years. Oh, with over 30 years of legal experience. With expertise in banking, regulatory affairs, and complex litigation. So that's interesting. Twitter hot takes. What hasn't changed is our steadfast commitment to constructive regulatory engagement. In just the last week or so, the SEC chair, 6 of his division directors, the SEC's chief economist, and the general counsel have all departed. Wow. It almost seems to me like this stimulus bill and like all this stuff has everything to do with the SEC and Ripple. Seriously, we look forward to working with all the commissioners and SEC's new leadership once appointed in 2021. So maybe 2021 will be the turnaround, the great, reversal for XRP. Let's see. Wow. Okay. So selling pressure. The volume candles are not growing. There's not as much selling pressure anymore. On the 5-minute. Yeah, well. So there's more buying pressure right now. Oh, it's going to go up again. Unless it just plummets. It would have to plummet. Like I said, I think it could come down to here. And that would be it. It does look like it wants to curve down and drop again. Anyways. Okay, so let's go check that out. Our statement on recent market participant activity. The The public and press have only heard from the story from the SEC side. We will be filing our response in a few weeks. There you go. There you go. A few weeks. So, and you know, a lot of people are making money on this because they knew this FUD was coming out. It's almost, I think they're planning these pieces of news and they're saying, okay, we're going to put this out tomorrow morning. It's going to make the price go up. Make sure you're in a long, you know, we're going to help each other make it. So we're part of the 1% so that they don't kill us off when, when they, you know, depopulate the world in, within 10 years. So, I don't know. That's just how I see it. The SEC's decision to file this action is not just about Ripple. It's an attack on the entire crypto industry here in the United States. We've always said that there's a dangerous lack of regulatory clarity for crypto in the US. Their lawsuit has already affected countless innocent XRP retail holders with no connection to Ripple. It has also needlessly muddied the waters for exchanges, market makers, and traders. The SEC has introduced more uncertainty into the market, actively harming the community. And by the way, Jay Clayton was Trump appointed. He was appointed by Trump. And I don't know. I don't know what's going on, man. The SEC has introduced more uncertainty into the market, actively harming the community they're supposed to protect. Exactly, right? It's no surprise that some market participants are reacting conservatively as a result. In the meantime, Ripple will continue to operate and support all products and customers in the US and globally. The majority of our customers aren't in the US, and overall XRP volume is largely traded outside of the US. There are clear rules of the road for using XRP in the UK, Japan, Switzerland, and Singapore. For example, for 8 years, we've built products that help hundreds of customers solve pain points around global payments. We will defend our company and look forward to settling this matter in court to finally get clarity for the US crypto industry. On a parallel note, we also look forward to working with all the commissioners and the SEC's new leadership, once appointed. In all, the SEC chair, 6 of his directors from each SEC division, the SEC's chief economist, and SEC's general counsel have now departed. Many just left last week. Our steadfast commitment to constructive regulatory engagement has not changed. That's the statement. That's what I'm reading. No, I think actually it means if you read between the lines, you can see what's kind of happening here. So they said just give it a couple weeks. There's going to be a, bloodbath maybe for a few weeks. Just a few weeks. Then you buy. Right? Under 10 cents, under 5 cents. When everyone hates XRP. When everyone's, like everyone and their mom and their grandma is saying, what's that smell? Smells like dead XRP. To me, it really seems like this is meant to cause an uproar and get people thinking and engaging. Seems like there's a fog or something on this. Is that better? Maybe? Yeah, that's a little better, I think. Yeah, I'll do a little more. It'll be a little better. Okay. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so yeah, the SEC complaint only alleges. Nothing has been determined, right? That's what courts are for. It's almost like they're working together. That's SEC said, you know what? We've got all these, these banks. They need to use this. We need to get this technology up and going. We need the U.S. to get some clarity We need that lawsuit over with. So they're like, okay, well, we're going to sue you. And you come out with like just amazing info that totally rebuts our claims or our alleged allegations towards you. And we'll look stupid, and Ripple will be like a winner in this whole thing. We'll provide transparency through the courts, which will completely nullify that the existing court case. And due to the OCC's rules now that there's no lawsuits, banks can actually custody XRP and use it. And wow, 23 cents. So it's going back up. Is that what you're saying? Ah, yeah. Interesting. Yeah, so I knew it because sell pressure wasn't too high. But it was. It's starting to grow. Yeah. No, it could really do something to the downside here. Because sell pressure is starting to grow again. This is on the 1 minute, so we could check out a larger time frame. See how it respected my line so perfectly? Yeah, it has more downside, I think, coming, but we'll see. I don't know. Who knows? The short term price doesn't matter too much, I think, because I think there's going to be more FUD. Maybe Gemini will delist, or they'll halt trading. Maybe Binance US will halt trading. You know, that's how I feel. And then now with Ripple's statement, give me a sec. With Ripple's statement saying, just give it a few weeks, you'll see. That basically tells us everything without them telling us much. But they're saying, this is fucked with our the people, the community. This is messing with our community, you know. And you're responsible for it. But give it a few weeks, you know, and price will start going up again. I think that's probably what's gonna happen, guys. That's probably it. So, and there's gonna be a lot of hatred towards XRP, and there's gonna be people saying, "Listen to me. I really care about you, so I'm trying to like help. So you should sell all your XRP." So my thing is, I ain't selling, but I'm not gonna buy. I mean, if it goes low though, I'll probably buy. I'll probably buy a little. I'll have to sell something else to buy, but none of my other cryptos are doing what XRP is doing right now. And this would be the time. This would be the time to get maybe a second chance to get some more. Even though we had years and years of dips to buy, this could be like a second chance to get in before the real action starts happening. It doesn't want to give up though. I mean, it still has maybe a little more up to go, actually. Who knows? Anyways, so yeah, so you know, this is crazy. But you know, this is kind of. To be honest, I was really hoping for that $2,000, and that's how they get you. They say, "Oh, $2,000, it passed yesterday. It passed. No, it passed the House, which is mostly Democrats. It didn't pass the Senate, which is mostly GOP Republicans. And that typically Republicans will not. They won't want people leeching off the government as much. They're more about capitalism even though this is a terrible disaster that there's nothing much we could have done about this whole thing. A lot of people are losing their businesses. It's really sad. No, it says he blocks Senate vote. This could be like grounds. This would be like the basis, possibly, for riots and protests coming next year about money, not about race. You know, that was the practice round. Even though race is extremely important, you know, racism. I mean, it's a big topic that needs to be addressed. True racism, at least. And then of course, there's always the social media and then the mainstream media who exploit minorities, which is racism, and they make people think that they're for them and stuff. But that's just not crypto related. So, but yeah, everyone hates people call him Cocaine Mitch. I don't know why. Does he have a drip or something? Like, what does he sound plugged up or something? Ended former President Rock 12-year run as the most admired man in America. Per the annual Gallup, 18% named Trump as their most admired man compared to 15%. Wow. Now that's saying something, guys. Well, Trump certainly, in only 4 years, he just uncovered, like, he just turned everything around. And then the funny thing is, I don't know. I'm not going to go into that, though, It riles people up. I don't want to get people all, riled up. Because really, like, what do you, don't get out. You should have known all this was coming, Or at least you should have been listening to me. I've been saying the apocalypse is here, like, for a while. It's just around the corner, XRP's liquidity, which Ripple took years to build, has been destroyed by the SEC in days. One of the biggest shakeouts ever occurring right before our eyes, and we already knew. We were expecting that, We've been expecting this for years. I don't know who was the one who said it. I don't know who's the one who said it first. Was it Barrel Guy? Was it Ripple Riddler? Who was saying that? We're gonna have the biggest shakeout. It's gonna be a FUD campaign, and price is just gonna go so low. I mean, I've heard it would even go below a cent, below all the way to 3 cents, below 5 cents, below 10 cents. So I heard the most the one that I believe the most is just a wick down below 5 cents, maybe to 3 cents, but it would not stay there for too long. But there are buy orders down there, right? So they're just waiting. They don't have to do anything. They just wait till it wicks down, wait till enough people are willing to sell that low because of FUD. Hey, Crypto Boo Boo, how's it going? 3 cent. You remember that too, Mariama? Yeah. I've been told that in private messages. So my guess is it's probably going to wick down below 5. I can't see it going below 3. That's for sure. I don't know, but that's just me. Thanks. Love you too, Boo Boo. Love you too, Carlos. Even though you didn't say you love me, but I think you did tell me that once. Because you were talking about conspiracies. Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, that's what they call them, conspiracies. Sure. I mean, you wouldn't want the masses believing what's going on, you wouldn't want the masses really knowing what's going on, so just call it a conspiracy. It's very easy to fool people because people are funny. People are very funny creatures. Welcome to that's right. We welcome the FUD. It won't stop what's coming next. The one true king, and maybe it won't even last too long, or maybe it'll last a year. Okay, got to be realistic. Might last a year before they get all this mess cleared up. Got to be realistic. That's why I don't emotionally attach myself to XRP or anything for that matter. Anything. Damn, look at that. 3 reasons to go for gold, and it's promoted. Aberdeen Standard. I think that's in Seattle. 17 was a blessing. Not gonna lie, XRP just said. Well, I mean, where's that now? Where's it at? Let's see, wait for it to refresh. Wow. Might even be creating some type of a bull flag, because there's not really much sell pressure right now. I think it's creating a bull pennant or something. But I would be very careful trying to trade this right now. It's so tricky trying to figure out. But I do think it'll probably keep going down for the next week or two, to be honest. I really do. Yeah. I'm writing it. I'm not going to sell it no matter what. I don't care if it goes below 1 cent. And if it was my entire portfolio, I might care. It might irk me a little. But, you got to have faith, right? If you have faith in something, you know why you got into it. You got to keep principles and those fundamental understanding of the end game, Yeah, and that's what happened last time. They had a big shakeout, and they had all sorts of crazy FUD. Ripple just tweeted on this case on their Twitter 20 minutes back ago, basically start of this recovery. Right, yeah, right. I just read that. That's why people are really watching the news on Ripple right now. People are really watching every piece of news. So they posted this 54 minutes ago. All right, let's take a look. 54 minutes ago. Right now it's 6:22. It's not, but I don't know why it says that. Let's see when this started. Yep, 54 minutes ago, guys. It started going up. It started going up right when they posted that. It's so funny, man. The markets are so quick to react to news. When, I think it's just, it's all a show. But, the sell pressure is not too high. But the buy pressure is not too high either. Now the market just doesn't know where to go. And we're probably following Bitcoin to a certain extent, because I think Bitcoin started taking a dive as well earlier. Now it's going up again. Let's see, when did this start going up? Okay. I just hope it goes sideways for a while. That's what I really want. Yeah, I think it's gonna it would come down before it went back up again. I would think, but who knows? That's a tough one. That's a tough call. When you're in price discovery, you just don't know. You just don't know. Yeah. What's up, Kelly Slade? Yeah, we're gonna get our $600 stimulus checks pretty soon, and they'll start getting them into our bank accounts within a few days. They said. Emotional traders, yeah. Forbes article just came out. Okay, cool. Thanks for telling me that. Let's see, crypto boo. We were told 6 cent XRP incoming a year ago. Huddle hard and trust the plan. I believe it could definitely get down to 6 cents, especially if more exchanges take action, and if there's anything else, any other FUD they have in store for us. Now, I could be wrong. I tend to think with the conspiracy type of mind. Not conspiracy, I wouldn't say conspiracy, but a very skeptical and pattern-oriented kind of mind. What about Swift from Russia? I don't know what the question is. Wait until all those monies that left because they're scared run back in. Only one aspect of this future prediction. Yeah. And you know, the funny thing is this is such an emotional topic for a lot of people. It really is. And I don't get why people hate XRP. Like, I mean, I do in a way, but just leave the XRP community alone, you know? I don't know. You know, what's the point of spreading any negativity? I get maybe if you really truly believe in your heart that it's going to zero, you know, you would probably want to present some kind of evidence or something that you read that made you believe it. But anyways, just take it easy on the XRP community right now. There are a lot of people in the community who are kind of nervous. I'll tell you the truth. I mean, people don't have to tell me. I can just say that. I already know. People are nervous, you know, because so people are like all in, you know, some people. Like Mr. Cugs. Oh no, he sold a while ago. Grayscale bought at 17 cents. Did they really? No way. Cool. Interesting. Yeah, these funds. Look, I got 77 thumbs ups, 7 thumbs downs. That's God is taking care of me right now. 777, baby. XRP is a product and or a service. What is Bitcoin and ETH? What supports the Bitcoin run? It's the hype campaign. It's the hyping. All the big boys are buying up at the same time, and well, they're putting that news out there, and then retail investors like us, you know, with the PayPal news and all that stuff. Visa is giving Bitcoin rewards for every purchase now. Everyone's hopping on the Bitcoin train. You know, next is going to be the ETH train, if not the XRP train, I bet. You know? But then we'll see, after the Bitcoin run, you know, then we'll see the true utility of these other beautiful little gems we've discovered and collected over the last few years. You know, then the world will actually start seeing the utility. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, so in 10 minutes, I gotta stake this, and it's very time sensitive. Let me set one more timer. It's extremely time sensitive. I gotta stake like ASAP, and I gotta use a very high gas fee. So let me check that out right now. I just gotta get it prepped, and then I'll set another timer real quick. That'll be good enough. That should be good. Yeah. So I figured out a way to actually unlock my wallet on my phone. And what you had to do is, for anyone who needs to unlock their wallet on MetaMask on their mobile and hasn't been able to figure it out, all I did was I didn't switch accounts, but I switched networks. Okay, I took it off the main net. Just went to Ropsten test network, and then I switched back. I let it sit for a minute, let it reset, and I switched back to the Ethereum main network. All right. Now it's connected, and now it connects. I unstaked 5 meme earlier from Jonathan Wolf's collection, because so what happened yesterday is that where's his collection at? We will go back. His collection is right here. I unstaked because I was trying to get this middle one, the cat doing working out, and when I ended my stream, they were already sold out. So these sold out within an hour, and I was gonna try to get one, but I I wasn't able to. So I got one of these instead, which is actually even better. I think it's not as it's not gonna be listed for as much, but this is an independent artist who's, he's got a large following on Twitter, and they're onboarding these independent artists now that have large followings. I mean, he's got 20K follows, and then one of his tweets 5 days ago got 52,000 likes. That's how popular these people are, in their art and their NFTs. So, so I unstaked from here since there's no point in staking in here anymore. I still have 19 pineapples left, which I'll be reimbursed for down the line in probably Q1 of next year. So now I have 5 memes sitting on the side waiting to be staked into into Vicious' collection. So, and this was the one that's going to go for auction. You can bid however many meme you want. The last one, Jonathan Wolf's Mountain, went for a 30 meme, which is like 30 times 4, like about 400, $24,000, basically. 24,000? Yeah, that's a lot. Wow. Jeez. So I bet this one's gonna go for even more, since it's the first one that has audio, and this is actually a very artistic. This is the most artistic drop. I'm not trying to bore you guys. I have to do this because, or if I miss out, then I won't get a chance to. I'm gonna try to get this one. That's the best one I can. I'll have a chance to even probably get, and then I'll try to get this one after that. I'll stake for 3 more days, and then I'll get this one because this one's really cool. I have no chance to get this one. I just don't have any chance to get it. You'd have to stay. I have to stake for 9 days. I get 5 pineapples every day. There's only 10 of these. She's extremely popular, or they are. Vicious is extremely popular, and so we'll do what we can in 5 minutes. So I put the alarm on, and then we'll come back to looking at XRP. So, but to do this though, you have to use the MetaMask wallet app to be able to open up your wallet on the browser. So let me see. For instance, I want to show you something. This is cool. This really helps me out in deciding where to stake and where not to. This right here. So you care to track the main platforms, the total value locked. And now you see how much is in each one. How much value is locked in each platform. Or, I mean, each pool. Each pool. So the Genesis pool, I wish I could, is the most popular. It's got 3,500 meme in it, which is about $1 million, 400,000. And all those pineapples have been farmed in it. I got like about 300 in there. Okay, I got 4 minutes before I can stake, and I have to stake right away. And it's probably gonna cost me like $30 because the gas fees are ridiculous right now. Just insane. All right, then the next is LP Genesis, where you can mint legendary cards, and then John is the next one. I'm in his because he came out with a new one. I could show you that real quick, and then I gotta just get on this and then stay there. Yeah, 17 cents. Follow the money. Yeah, let's see that source so I can check it out. Three minutes. Yeah, this is very artistic because she didn't really mess around. She's putting art out there with her emotions, or yeah, putting art out there with emotion, you know. So, thoughts on H bar? I like H bar. I don't know what DCN is. DCN. I forgot what that was. So I'll be right back. One minute. Let's see. So I got that ready, and then I gotta put my gas up a little. These are going to be valuable someday. Oh, damn it. Stake. Max stake. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Do the best one. $13, not too bad. Confirm. There you go. And now I'll find out how fast I get through. Should go pretty soon, but Fruos has got a lot of people trying to get in on this. Probably the biggest pool ever. See how long it takes. There's a lot of competition. I usually get in quicker than that, so I have no chance trying to get the 1 out of 10. There's no chance. No chance. It's still not letting me in. Damn it. Dang, there's a lot of people trying to get in on this. Shoot. Wow. It's alright, man. I mean, I'll get the middle one, I'm sure. I paid for the fastest one, and it's still not letting me get in. There we go. Okay. Wow, it took long enough. Jeez, paid $13 to stake. There we go. So now, see what it's doing is we can we can see that now my 5 meme are staked, and I'm already earning pineapples. So I've staked the max right away. 5 pineapples a day. In 3 days, I'll be able to mint this one. In 6 days, I'll be able to mint this one. 15 days, I'll be able to mint this one. 9 days. I'm not going to be able to mint this one at all. Plus, I don't have a whole Ethereum to use to mint it with. I can't do that. It's a really cool one, but anyways. Now this auction started. All right, so anyways, that's it. That's that. I get so many thumbs downs on this. This is so funny. People don't like Ripple. People just do not like Ripple XRP. It's crazy. All right, there we go. So, and then I also looked. This is the other one. He's coming out with a second drop right here. I mean, it's just so funny how they like satirize all this, and they make the pineapple just such a. They basically own the pineapple now in the crypto space. That's it, man. So I'm already staking in here, waiting for these to drop tomorrow. These will drop tomorrow. I'm gonna probably try to. I would love to try to get that one, but that's gonna be near impossible. So I'll most likely get this one. Though these are the ones I've been able to get, the mid-tier ones, the 1 out of hundreds. I have a lot of these. So, and they always are up for more than it costs to mint. So it's always worth it. So anyways, this one was very special. The blockchain summit one. That was cool. You mint that in the special collection. This was the first one that there was. The event drop. Brian Brooks was there. Robert Leshner, Sergey Nazarov, Pompliano, Hester Pierce, CD, Binance, Tim Draper, Chris Larson, and I have special access to their Telegram now. So I'm in the Telegram with a bunch of these, not a whole bunch of them, but a few of these people, and they're all sold out. So you can't even get access to that anymore unless you buy the ticket online. So you could go online and buy it on OpenSea. All right, so anyways, I'm stoked about this, but thanks for bearing with me during my stake. This guy's gonna come out with another one. Spongenuity, I think he is. So we'll see. I like his art. And this one's cool too. Vans. The website, Van's website is really amazing. Just take a look at this. This artist's website is really cool. Oh no. Anyways, you guys didn't come here for that, so let's go do something else. Actually, I'm gonna redo this and see how many people got into that ferocious drop. There we go. See, it's already the third top one. That's what I was saying. Very popular, ferocious. See how many are already staked, like right away too. All that's a lot. Wow. Total pineapples 3 because we just all started. Cool. Well, I'm glad I got in. So anyways, let's go back to here. Is it worth being an artist on there? Yeah, definitely. They're making a lot of money, and they're building their portfolio. That's probably what they care about even more. Let's face it, it's gonna come back down. It's too much FUD. It's too much. And we've only had 2 major exchanges halt trading or delist or whatever you want to call it so far. So, you know, the more that come, the more the price is going to probably go down, I bet. You know, just being realistic. I think said Forbes wrote an article. Yeah, what about that? Where do you get that grayscale information? I'd like to see that. Let's see. Forbes, Ripple, XRP. No, dude, I do have something else I want to show you on Twitter. They use this old school photo of Brad Garlinghouse. There we go. The cryptocurrency trial of the century. The century. What? Whoa. Not even just the decade. But yeah, I think they have a lawsuit against Bitfinex or Tether too. And that's like a $1.4 trillion lawsuit. So there's a big difference between this one and that one. And everyone's talking about this one though. You see what's going on? No one's talking about Tether. No one's flooding Tether, are they? Not barely anyone. Let's see, let's read this here. Just hours before Security and Exchange Commission Chairman Jay Clayton left the building on December 23rd at the end of his tenure, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, alleging that it raised over $1.3 billion through the sale and distribution of digital assets XRP without registering. Ripple, founded in San Francisco in 2012, operates the RippleNet and XRP payment protocol, considered an improvement over Bitcoin with its centralized ledger, faster settlement speed, and digital wallet for international transactions across 55 countries. Ripple's one of the titans of the new crypto industry in the US, developing real economy products from revolutionary technology. Ripple's blockchain-like exchange network is claimed to be an efficient, inclusive, and low-cost supplement, some say alternative, to traditional payment networks like the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, or SWIFT, and others. The SEC suit does not allege fraud, so it's not a criminal suit, but it seeks unspecified damages to ban Ripple's executives from participation in digital asset market trades. Oh, interesting. Oh, Ripple's executives. But because a lot of Ripple employees have XRP. The case appears to impugn one of the few positive aspects of Clayton's 2017 statement on cryptocurrencies and initial coin offerings, noting that these disruptive, transformative, and efficiency-enhancing technologies could facilitate capital formation and provide promising investment opportunities for institutional and Main Street investors alike. More largely, the case reaffirms Clayton's statement in which he claimed supreme SEC authority to regulate every digital asset imaginable, regardless of its design, intention, or use. Following the suit, the price of XRP plummeted by 25%, and some trading has been halted. Ripple launched a vigorous response, calling the suit an attack on the emerging cryptocurrency industry at large. The case has interesting parallels to telecommunications, in which regulators use obsolete laws to regulate new technologies, undermining U.S. competitiveness and innovation. That's what I'm saying. Later, boo-boo. Oh yeah, it's like it's like nighttime over there. All right. Have a good one. Be safe. What's going on, She-Town? What's going on, Aiku? They had to disable all their tokens? Huh. Well, I've never heard of it. But everyone's heard of Ripple, so. Hey, what's up, Sterling? How you doing, man? Gave you a shout-out yesterday for helping get me this hoodie for winter. Binance US hoodie. That was cool. So thanks a lot again. You're always helpful to this channel, doing giveaways and all sorts of stuff. Really cool. So hope you're having a good day, bro. Driving or whatever you're doing. Following the suit, the price of XRP plummeted by 25%, and some trading has been halted. Ripple launched a vigorous response, calling this to an attack on emergent cryptocurrency industry at large. The case has interesting parallels to telecommunications, in which regulators use obsolete laws to regulate new technologies, undermining U.S. competitiveness in innovation. Clayton's parting shot was his most audacious swipe against an innovative industry he spent 4 years trying to dominate with authority claimed from a 1934 statute. With potentially sweeping implications, this case is shaping up to be the crypto trial of the century. Here are some of the key issues. Currency or security? The central question is whether XRP is a currency or a security. Currency is a medium of exchange and a store of value, like dollars, gold. This is actually just stuff we already knew. So, security, on the other hand, is a financial investment contract, typically tradable like a stock or a bond. It matters because different laws and regulations apply. In 2015, the U.S. Departments of Justice and Treasury concluded, as part of a settlement with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, that XRP is a currency. Indeed, Ripple has been complying with rules for digital currencies with these agencies for 5 years, in addition to the currency compliance it performs across countries. Ripple notes that the XRP ledger is decentralized and open source, operating on consensus among a growing community of users and developers making new products with it. XRP is not an investment contract in their company, nor something they control. If investors want to invest in Ripple, they would buy shares of the company itself, not XRP. This determination has not stopped the SEC from claiming that Ripple's practices with XRP amount to investment contracts under the Howey test, which Charles Hoskinson, by the way, he said that thing is old and it's obsolete, so why use it anymore, the Howey test, and hence require disclosure as securities. The SEC has brought similar suits against other cryptocurrencies, notably Grams from Telegram, and I think that got completely wiped out, and Kick Interactive Tokens. And now Kin is doing great now. Whatever happened, Kin is doing amazing this year. Kin, I don't own any. I have no interest in owning any, but even against Bitcoin, nicely it's done. So and it still has a lot farther to go. This thing is gonna, now it looks like it could dump. Well, the volume's drying up. I don't know. I don't want anything to do with it, to be honest, but you see what happened there. Like they settled, and then they got a slap on the wrist, they got fines, and now they still have their cryptocurrency, and it's doing well. Regulatory boundaries. The case represents a significant regulatory overreach. Reasonable minds can agree that however compelling financial technology may be, Congress, not regulators, decides what's regulated. Despite cryptocurrency industry pleas for a rational framework, Congress unfortunately has said little about cryptocurrency, leaving regulators to make up their own rules. The development, then, you think there's no corruption there? You think they're not helping each other out to make a ton of money with that? This development parallels the regulatory experience of broadband internet, which has but a passing reference in the Telecommunication Act of 1996. Having no congressional framework in place, the Obama Federal Communication Commission, FCC, attempted to regulate the internet with the laws designed for price regulation of the telephone, arguing that the internet was a mere extension of the telephone network. FCC Democrats promoted a policy designated to protect Silicon Valley giants in the name of helping consumers. The gambit spawned more than a decade of litigation and thwarted billions of dollars in investment in new broadband networks, depriving broadband network operators of the ability to recover costs, creating a digital divide in rural areas. With the Ripple, this shoe is on the other foot. A Republican agency is an expressly deregulatory administration purports to protect consumers by going after currency innovators. Such turf grabbing is a classic symptom of regulatory obsolescence and perversely keeps legions of lawyers in business and federal courts. Well, smart contracts will take care of that sooner or later. Lawyers won't even be needed. Do regulators protect China or U.S. consumers? While disclosure is recognized as an important element for a functioning market and consumer protection, it's notable that the SEC has allowed hundreds of Chinese firms with a collective value of $2.2 trillion to list on U.S. exchanges without disclosures or audits for almost 2 decades. Why don't you stop paying attention to Ripple, and why don't you pay attention to the Federal Reserve and go give them an audit? How about that? Earlier this year, the bipartisan U.S.-China Commission submitted in a report to Congress and described how China enjoys the fruits of America's financial markets while it simultaneously upsets global norms. However, it seems that America's fledgling cryptocurrency industry was the focus of Clayton's wrath, not China. In any event, consumers are increasingly drawn to Ripple and cryptocurrencies precisely to avoid the cost and complexity of traditional, highly regulated financial services, a trend which itself demonstrates that innovation frequently delivers better outcomes than regulation. Moreover, the flagrant deficit spending by the U.S. government drives down the value of the dollar, drives investors and consumers to more transparent, decentralized money like cryptocurrency. What is the U.S. strategy for cryptocurrencies and blockchain? The conflicting approaches against U.S. regulatory agencies reflects the lack of larger regulatory framework. While permissionless innovation... Hold on. I want to make sure my stream is still going. Okay. While permissionless innovation has helped spawn the innovation, regulators left unchecked will seek new things to regulate. In the past, the bumbling approach may have mattered less, but today the U.S. faces an existential economic and security crisis with China, which is determined to supersede America. Seeing that the U.S. doesn't have its crypto act together, China has moved to issue its own digital currency. By the way, what would you say if I told you that I think the U.S. will issue its own CBDC pretty soon? China has moved to issue its own digital currency, build a blockchain ledger from it, and pilot the technology's use in its domestic economy. Clayton's replacement could make a much-needed reset, while the SEC chair may inherit a flawed lawsuit. This new leader need to not repeat the flawed policy. More important, Congress should step up in 2021 and make the proper framework for cryptocurrency to ensure U.S. leadership and clarify regulatory boundaries. That was a pretty good article. Yeah, I like that. And there was also something else KuCoin's doing. I guess I'll show that to you. Okay. For blockchain trade and deposit XRP, for blockchain trade and deposit XRP on KuCoin to share $100,000 USDT, 100,000 USDT. As a participant and witness of the development of the blockchain industry, KuCoin firmly believes that the core spirit and value of the blockchain should be maintained. Every project in the industry dedicated to transforming human society and even the future of humanity with innovative blockchain technology should be respected. With the new year, KuCoin will launch an activity for XRP to give away a reward pool of 100,000 USDT to qualified KuCoin users. We welcome all like-minded friends to trade on KuCoin, support XRP projects, and witness the spirit of blockchain. The active period is from December 29th through January 4th. You have to fill in a form to be eligible to get the rewards. Deposit XRP to share 40,000 USDT. During the activity period, users with a net deposit of more than 500 XRP on KuCoin will win a share of 40,000 USDT rewards in proportion to their net deposit amount. Cool. A lot of people are going to probably take advantage of that. Although going into the new year, I would be careful having anything on exchanges. Who knows what's going to happen? They have another pool during the activity period. Users who trade XRP in the spot or margin markets with more than 100 USDT will win a share of 60,000 USDT rewards in proportion to their trading amount. God bless XRP. So they're supporting XRP. And what they're saying is that they're not going to turn their back on it. Then again, they're not an American exchange, so there would be no use in not supporting it. This is all about America and China. It's really just, I need to get some waves. And NIM, some NIMIC. I need some NIM too. So yeah, that was pretty a good article. And then I can go here. I want to see what's new. Huh. Oh, dude, this is going to be... More and more athletes are going to start taking their salaries in Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. And then XRP probably. Well, they won't be able to probably because of laws, regulations, and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. OKX launches real-time settlement for derivatives trading. Japanese internet giant licensed to issue first JPY peg stablecoin in New York. Grayscale. Yeah, if you could link me to that article, whoever told me that they were buying up, Grayscale was buying up that 17-cent dip on XRP, that would be great. What's up, Triple Moon? Thanks, man. Yeah, if you can hit the thumbs, that would be cool. Evil, I got what I deserved, and everyone will too. What did you get? You're focusing on yourself right now. Couldn't care less. Spent my whole life trying to help others while getting kicked in the ass. Okay, yeah, no, you got to take care of yourself before you can take care of anyone else, really. You know. Yeah. I'm more afraid for BTC and ETH after Trump's latest executive order over XRP. Yeah, so I don't think it's going to go. It might go up for like today because yesterday went so down. It could go up, but I still think there's going to be more FUD pieces coming out before, a few weeks from now. Kasama. Nice. I like Kasama. I want to buy some. I need some Kasama. Look at that. What do they got? Enjoy a high APR. Deposit and share 10,000. They're really trying to get people on their platform. They have really evolved this. I have not opened this for a while. They've really evolved it. The Futures Brawl. DeFi. Futures Brawl. 1 inch. Okay, so anyways, let's go somewhere else. Grayscale has $19 billion in crypto assets under management, up $16.4 billion last week. Well, Grayscale is part of the digital currency group's portfolio. They're in there with Ripple. A digital asset manager, Grayscale Investments, has passed another milestone, reaching 19 billion. Do they say anything about Ripple or XRP here? Including XRP. It's only down 14% now. Wow. Sorry. Is owned by the digital currency group. See, I said that, I'll tell you the truth, guys. The parent company of CoinDesk, yeah. Digital currency group is a big deal. Net assets under management, because digital currency group, like I've said before, was created by 3 members of the Federal Reserve. I think the Boston Federal Reserve. Did they just buy some more XRP? No. Well, someone said they bought the dip. Grayscale bought XRP at 17 cents. But you see what's in their trust? Horizon? That's not even on Coinbase yet. Do you guys, things are going to change so quickly pretty soon? With banks and stuff. Next year, we're going to get transparency and all that. Like, we're going to get a lot of crypto regulation. Like, did they just buy more? Okay, where did you find that out? Because I want to find that article or whatever. That's it. I didn't sell my XRP. No, I didn't. I did not trade my XRP for anything. I have, I have a little trading stack that I just use for whatever. I got to make money. It's not much. It's not even enough for rent. But yesterday I bought XRP down, and I wrote it down. This morning I was up 60%. So I almost doubled my portfolio from that. But I'm still in it. I don't think XRP is going up anytime soon, but I could be wrong. Well, and also with market cap too, we can take a look. It's behind Litecoin. It might have gone above it again. CoinGecko. Bitcoin dominance is back up a little bit, not too much. XRP is number 4 again. Wow. Let's see. Damn. Wait. $2 billion just came in like in a few hours. Because it went under Litecoin on the chart. It went under Litecoin. Briefly. But that's the thing. I don't think they could let it happen. When's the last time Litecoin was ahead of XRP? Litecoin's been doing fairly phenomenal lately, while XRP's been doing the opposite. Well, on the year, Litecoin's up 190%. And on the year, XRP is up 23%. Yeah, it does look like it wants to go back up. I'm going to be in that trade for like a week, and then I'm going to pray that they don't kick me off of Binance. Well, let's take a look at Stellar. You see, we're almost near, we're nearing $1 trillion market cap total for crypto markets. Yeah, so, oh, wow. Stellar's up 200% this year. Did you guys know that? I didn't know that. Look at, wow. 200%. Wow. It doesn't look pretty though. It's probably going to keep coming down until something significant happens. But they are going to start using Stellar for the USDC in January, so that'll be good. Yo, GTLT, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? It looks nice and sunny out today, huh? Yesterday it was rainy. It's like complete opposite. It's good old Cali for you. Googled it earlier. Show XRP at number 5. Mark isn't showing that. Doesn't mean much. Pop, pop, pop. I predict crypto conspiracy channels are going to go up too. I don't think so. They don't like us. Well, I'm not a conspiracy channel, but if I didn't do a few of the videos I've done, I think I would have more subscribers, probably. I don't know. I might be wrong. I don't know. Yeah, why sell for a loss? Just, like, just go, yeah, weather the storm, pretty much. You gotta just weather this storm. However, if it's everything you have in your portfolio, be prepared, If you gotta write it down to 0, be prepared, like... I would not have everything all in one thing. Hey, by the way, up there in the left-hand corner, it's 11:11. So make a wish, and whatever you were just thinking, maybe you should you're on the right path. Whatever thought you just had. Crazy rain yesterday, man. Yeah, helped me. I slept so well. Slept like a baby. Hodling strong, nothing can move me. I'm an oak. Nice. People aren't saying XLM is dead or ICX or Atom. They're saying XRP's dead. I think we know what the Phoenix is. Right, that's kind of how I feel too. So much negative attention on XRP. Once it dies, once it burns to the ground, it rises from the ashes, right? I don't know. We'll see. But, I mean, if it's... Look, they've done too much for this stupid little lawsuit to take them down. They built so much infrastructure, they've done too much. But yeah, no one's talking anything negative about Stellar. But what's next, though? Do you think there would be any other cryptos that the SEC will file a lawsuit against? Or like companies or anything? Yeah, I do want to see. No, I don't. Someone is obviously buying, yeah. When stimulus, I want that. I'll be honest. I want the $2,000 check. I want it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. My name is Jimmy. What? What is that? That's a really cool. That's cool. I forgot she was an artist. Oh, the Trojan horse. Whoa. That's in depth, like insightful. Huh. Cool. I like that. That's badass. Cryptic sketches. I'm gonna retweet that. She's a good friend. She's a really sweet girl. Sweet woman. Work from home crashed on me today. Looks like I got the afternoon off. I guess he's talking about the crypto market. I heard it all. Apparently, they think I will work for Ripple, and I'm trying to assist in keeping price up. Yeah, people have accused me of doing that, of working for Ripple too. It's funny. It's funny though. It's so funny because I used to be that person. Oh, he probably just works for Ripple. Why else would he be so bullish on it? But that was my conspiracy mind, like thinking too much, thinking too much. A lot of people don't know what they hold. I do believe that. 90% of people were wrong about Bitcoin after the COVID crash. Most of the top analysts on crypto Twitter were bearish, waiting for new lows. Did those lows come? Same case can be made for XRP. Literally everyone is bearish, expecting new lows. Last time I checked, most of you aren't accurate. He's a friend of mine too. He's a cool guy. Really cool guy. Did you join the... Yes, I did. Let me just offer my deepest condolences for your loss, XRP Army. Generally, because that just sucks. Yeah, it does. It doesn't look very good. Tyler Winklevoss tweeted out, he said, stimulus check is trending right now, which means Bitcoin will be trending and pumping again soon. That makes sense. Yep. That does make a lot of sense. Okay, this is a Grayscale increased their XRP position by 8.5% after prices plunged to a 6-month low. Nice. So on the day, they increased their holdings by 8%. I mean, it's still a lot more than the Stellar Lumens trust. But damn, look at that Bitcoin trust. That's a lot. $2017 XRP on the week of December 4th, 2017 went from 37 cents to 8 cents in 1 week. On the following week, December 11th, the XRP went from 20 cents to $1. And the next few weeks after, XRP went to $3.54. A lot can change in a week, let alone a few weeks in the crypto space. That's true. It's very volatile. Very volatile. I've been on their show before. With XRP go to zero.
This has been ongoing for maybe well over a year, if not 2 or more. This is an investigation that was launched some time ago. It's just my personal opinion of it. Again, just my opinion, you guys. But based on the discovery that's inside of this complaint, to be able to craft this message didn't happen in a month or two. And knowing how, even with a team of attorneys, they had to comb through an awful lot of emails, messaging, internal documents, all of this stuff to be able to pare it down to 71 pages. And they had to craft their case so that they wanted to build a case against, and this complaint against SEC. And that's all it is at the moment, is a complaint. They're requesting a jury hearing, right? And I probably, if I was to guess, if I was a betting man, if I was to guess, what I think might happen is once this, we're still in holidays, we got the new year coming up. What might happen, and it certainly could, is Ripple could say, hey, this is severely impacting our ability to conduct business. The market has tanked. There's a lot of people out there that are investors. They didn't, they're not at fault here. So what they might request is some sort of an emergency type of a hearing, because this isn't something you want to drag on. And Ferdy, for the exact same reason you stated that, we're all in the same boat.
Oh, Ferdy's here?
I don't necessarily think that Jay Clayton is a villain necessarily here. Jay Clayton is a guy that didn't understand crypto, and probably begrudgingly, he said that Bitcoin and also, Ether, Ethereum was not a security. But in another parallel thing, we're kind of diving through this, but I want to do a video on breaking that down between what's happened with Ether, some similarities that happen. So if you're calling this not a security, then you got to go with XRP not a security. If Ether's not a security, guess what? Neither is XRP, because there's some very big funding that happened off of, and the same thing they're alleging in this complaint that Ripple did. They're saying, well, you guys funded were for Ripple, they had a seed round, they had Series A, B, C, right? They raised $300 million. What they're alleging here is that they wouldn't have been able to survive. Well, guess what? Vitalik Buterin puts out a famous, I'd say it's famous, but he puts out something to one of the investors, publicly thanking this investor for, if it hadn't been for this investor with the advance, I think this is 2014, advance, maybe it's 2015, I'll have to look for the date, but basically saying that if it hadn't been for an investor buying all of the Ether, probably Ethereum wouldn't have survived. Whoa, geez, that's something interesting, because that looks exactly like what went on here, right? Because of the way Ether, because of the fact that you had XRP that was created, right? One time, 100 billion. You have Bitcoin, which is mine, and you have Ethereum, which is now going to, Ether 2.0, right? They're I still think they're in the middle. I still haven't any confirmation if that's anywhere near done yet. But Bitcoin, yeah, that's safe, right? Because there's nobody knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is. Completely 100% decentralized, not going anywhere. Ether, not the same thing. Ether is very similar. If you look at the foundation that was set up, if you look at, then let's look at Stellar. You have the Stellar Foundation, right? You had Jed McCaleb, who had some disagreements early on with the founders, who said, hey, I'm going to go over and start my own thing. I think he wanted to go more retail versus, the more heavy hitters on the the bank and the institutional side. So he kind of broke off and went his own way, basically forked everything. So XLM is the sister to XRP, right? Price wise, it hasn't kept up. It probably also hasn't kept up with the amount of partnerships that we've seen with Ripple. But nonetheless, guess what? That's why Garlinghouse said in his memo to the employees, this isn't the SEC coming after Ripple. Oh, no. This is the SEC coming after the entire altcoin marketplace, right? If this is going to be deemed a security, guess what? There goes the altcoin marketplace. There goes most of it, right? Because there's 5,500 other projects that are probably sitting on the edge of their seat right now going, what's going to happen? So to sum that up, Ferdy, look, I mean, it's a tough conversation. We live and breathe this every single day. It's a passion for us. It's not only an investment, but it's something we really enjoy. Some people really like buying and selling stocks. Some people like, music.
Okay, so he has some good points there. I guess that's live on there. Yeah, I'll retweet that one for sure. Yeah, I was on their show. That was fun. We had a good combo, Jeff and Chip, and it was fun. That was a good one. It was a while ago too. Let's take a look. Let's take a glance. I'm really just not gonna bother too much. I'm not gonna. You see how it just came back up and retested? That's a pretty strong support. Resistance. And I think it looks like it wants to curve out, kind of keel over. It's kind of how it goes, what it usually does. But let me see down here. But then again, it's almost making an ascending triangle. Oh, I did that again. How did I do that? Sorry, guys. Now, I wonder what the guys are saying in the Lifer Telegram group. Oh, it's breaking the trend. Hold on. Not really. If we could just zoom in a little. Hold on. Let's go back. It'll give me a little Christmas greeting. And it'll reset. Oh, you know what? It already did. It was an ascending triangle, broke through, and it got rejected. And it kind of created a little head and shoulders type pattern. So it kind of came down. We saw a big, we see this. That's not a bullish thing. So I think it would probably come back down. And we'll see. But, you know, either way, this is a short time frame. We want to kind of look at the longer time frames, and we see that that's just not good. For it to be just so bullish over here, and then all of a sudden be the most bearish I've ever seen it be. So yeah, like I said, you know, a few weeks. Give it a few weeks. I think we'll see a big difference in the trajectory of the chart. What's up, digital gold? How do you say that? The only two of their kind dealing with correspondent baking. Yeah, XRP and XLO. Record low. Was it her? Was she the one who said it? Yeah, Facebook. I didn't even know Facebook, but yeah. SEC just wants to be like, hey, we're in charge here. Brad Garlandhouse has no ball to come on front and play role as CEO of Ripple and tell investor what will happen next. I don't know what you mean by that. A lot of hypocrisy surrounding XRP. Yeah. A lot of hypocrisy surrounding XRP. I think if we just like ignored all the FUD and just bought and then waited later, waited for a few years, you know, we would just save ourselves some heartache. I mean, like let's look at it without any drawings. You got to be honest, guys. This does not look good at all. And then we can take. Can I take the volume indicator off too? How do I do that? Oh. Oh, cool. Volume. Interesting. Okay. I didn't know I could do that. That's sweet. Yeah. But the wick down was a lot sharper than the body that came back up. There's really just a lot of people who still want to buy low, and they've been buying for a while, or they've been thinking of buying. Then they saw how fast XRP explodes upward. And so they're like, oh, this is a second chance, you know. And then you got Tika Tawari saying, don't worry about it. You know, it's not going to hurt XRP in the long term. And you got other people saying that too. Brad Garlandhouse, you know. Who else? Charles Hoskinson. And the thing is, this is hurting the whole crypto space. Because then you're just giving away all that power. Giving away all that like innovation to this regulatory agency who thinks they can just stomp all over the place. You know, they're the bullies on the playground, you know? They don't get it. They don't see what we see. They just enjoy the power. Of everyone bowing down to them. Yeah, don't cry about it when it gets tough. That's what you're in here for. You got to bear that. You got to bear those losses. You know. This is crypto. Yeah, no, it's not for the weak of heart, the faint of heart. So I could see it definitely coming back down to there. See, to me, this is the equivalent of this green candle. Just this bounce back up. I could see it's coming right back down, but maybe not. We'll see. Let's check out Twitter figures. Yeah, so there is like this, there's, yeah, that's what I was saying, that had to be, it shattered all records. Only 30 minutes in, 1,334 meme tokens deposited, that's over 500K in the new FUO pool. Almost 300 users farming for pineapples, one-of-one auction already up to 10 meme. Wow. I bet that'll go to 40. Oh, shit. One of one doesn't close for almost 24 hours. It just opened half an hour in. Someone already offered 10 meme for it because this is a really cool piece. Like I was showing you earlier. Well, that's cool. So this guy's saying, this is kind of like another riddler in a way. But he hasn't been correct. There's been times he wasn't correct, so. He said, keep your eyes on 16 cents. If it happens, the world will change. Damn, it came all the way down from 92 cents like less than a month ago. I think. Maybe it was a little more than a month ago. vChain. Oh, by the way, yeah, vChain's doing great. vChain's taking a lot of market cap. Well, that's what
on January 1st, the biggest thing that nobody even knows about, and it's all signed, and it goes into effect on January 1st. You better make sure I win. Can you imagine? This is going to be the biggest thing, and nobody understands what it is. You'll figure it out. The biggest thing.
What is it?
Nobody even knows about.
What you talk about, Willis? But I do remember that. Transparency begins January 1st. He said, I wanted to do it August 15th. They said, no, we have to do it next year. We got to do it January 1st. He said, I wanted August 15th. What was it? The financial reset? What is it he's talking about? 77 to 17. Did it go to 77 though? Whoa. Oh, dude, wait. Well, 77 to 17. That was posted like 2 years ago. Whoa. And it came down to exactly 17. Maybe it was all planned out. Whoa, maybe that was the bottom, guys. You think? I was always wondering what that meant, but I mean, what a coincidence. Okay, so stop. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna stop it at 77, and we're gonna bring it down to 17. That's when you can go. Go ahead, buy. Go ahead, buy. I don't know. What do you think? This was posted a year and a half ago. A little more than a year and a half ago by Ripple Riddler. Wow, cool. Interesting. That's crazy. That's craziness. Oh, that makes me want to. Now that makes me want to go look at the bearable guy thing. I haven't even looked because he looks like he's on drugs, but you know, to each his own. Let's see, bearable guy. Bearable guy. 1, 2, 3. This is his latest puzzle. And I really, honestly, don't even ask. Because a lot of this, I just don't even know. I don't know. But he looks like he's nuts, man. Like, he got some, I don't know, some good coffee or something. I don't know. Yeah, you know, don't ask me about this, all this, whatever this. I don't get it. I just don't. Honestly, I hate to say it. But that does look like a very exotic snake, which the more exotic they look, usually means that the more poisonous, which would be like a metaphor for a corruption. You know, sneaky corruption. You got the triskelion. So yeah, you know, you got 3 gold stars on a French cap, right? Biblical. Yeah, that's another one. The serpent. Yeah. You got the ledgers, messed up, out of order, kind of just messy. And then you got this hidden ledger on the bottom. That's very neat. Maybe that's the transparency. Maybe that's what we'll see in a little bit. And then we got all these little like letters, and I'm sure there's been a lot of people trying to figure these out. He's been correct in the past. You got a little mouse hole, the mouse peering out. Then you got the keys. You got silver ones. You got looks like they might be steel or iron. Not silver, but what would those be? What do they make keys out of? Aluminum? No. Steel, I guess. Then you got the one golden ticket, the one golden key. And they're all in a ring. They're all interconnected, kind of. They're all on a chain. On maybe the blockchain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 of them. Maybe he's saying one of them will be the golden ticket. All the others will be great too. Those are keys to success as well. Those will lead to other doors. But one of them is so there's going to be 12 that will be approved. My guess would be that it would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Stellar, Algo, Solana, Solana, and then a few others. USDC wouldn't be one. I don't know. I'm just speculating. He's got a chisel. He's creating a statue or something out of marble. And then they're on a brick floor. They're on bricks, on top of bricks. They got stone walls all around them. Stonewall Jackson, maybe referencing some kind of civil war surrounding. I don't know. You got the king with no mouth. I still don't get all this with the king and everything, but He's lowering a wrench. He's offering a wrench. He's trying to get a wrench into the building. And you got the knight in golden armor now. This time, gold. And these are all symbols of gold. All these circles, right? And gold also is symbolic of the sun. The sun is symbolic of gold as well. He's got his sword out, ready to slash. Oh no, he's knighting. I don't know. Well, he's victorious. It looks like what he's saying is that victory is near. And Bearable Guy's carving Ripple logo. Ripple logo? Why would he carve a Ripple logo? Maybe. Hey, I don't know. They have a golden scepter still. The infinite symbol is not there anymore. The infinity symbol's not there. Then you got this, what do we call, what do you think these are? Bankers? A banker's hand? Handing us passports or tickets? 1, 2 with the dots. I don't know this symbolism, but then of course you have the you got beams up top. It's interesting. You got beams up top. You got the blue, the yellow, and the green. I think the green was XRP. No, I think the purple or the blue was XRP. The green, I think, was USD, and then there was Bitcoin. But now it looks like they're all interoperable. They're maybe those are going to be the 3 world currencies. The main ones soon. Well, Bitcoin, you could already see what's happening with Bitcoin. I don't think it's going to die like a lot of people think. I mean, a lot of the XRP community, at least. But you see how this beam back here has it's assembled in a way, or it's intermixed with these different colors. Like it's made they're all made together. They're built together to support the roof. There's a lot of stuff in here, though. I mean, if anyone has any thoughts, by all means, feel free to let us know your thoughts. And then he says 2, 3 with his fingers, looks like. He's like, yeah. I don't know. And then he put these numbers up here up top. Let's go see what the comment section looks like. The Movie Vault. Shout out to the Movie Vault. Trump's longtime Deutsche Bank private banker and our close colleague abruptly resigned. Well, we'd like to see a decode. He's asking XRP bags. Yeah, I didn't know bags decodes, but yeah, let's see some decodes. If anyone knows. If anyone knows. The moon is protected. Legendary. That's some depth. Bitcoin ain't going anywhere. Digital gold. ETH is digital oil. XRP is a banker's coin. XRP will be the highest gaining asset in all of history. It is a banker's coin designed for banks, not you and I. Apparently XLM, XTZ, and Chainlink are on the list of the SEC for next to shake up. Yeah, that's, FUD. It's rumors, so... It's designed for everyone. Banks, developers, big tech, apps, games, supply chain. And you're talking about XRP, right? Yeah. XMM burned 50 billion of its supply for exactly this reason. Huh. They will make owning XRP illegal like they did with gold. That might be part of the reason they took snapshots, because then at least they'll have an account of they know for sure. I mean, but they know who had they. I don't know. I don't want to think about. I don't know. So they might come and like demand that we. Oh, here we go. Look. The set of keys represents the EU. 3 keys for 3 walls. The golden key is 79. The silver key is 31. And jeez, I mean, people get really deep on these things, man. The iron key is 27. Sheesh. Fiat wall, crypto wall, bridge wall. CBDC bridge, BTC to crypto bridge, USD to fiat bridge. Dang, he counted all the gold symbols on the knight's armor. 79. Wow, that was a good one. Is it really 79 on there? And gold. It obviously means gold. Yep. What does his chain mail say? 9 codes on the left wall. The first code is 3 characters. Second key is 27. 27 is the atomic number of cobalt. Wow. Gallium. Soft silvery metal. It's Latin for France. Oh, well, that would maybe explain his French beret or whatever you call it. Interesting. That was a pretty good one. I like that. That's good. Crown is now broken. His wrench is hanging by a thread. Anyone who's not in the XRP community, anyone who's never watched Bearable Guy or anything, like, they are wondering what the heck we are talking about. TT 9-inch. TT9IN. Mr. Caesar said, "Damn, man, we don't need this shit right now. Solving the new riddle when the old one hasn't even been solved. Gotta love the riddles." This one's kind of fun, a little bit funner, more fun. Funner's not a word, I don't think. He said, "Look at the pick upside down." That's not a bad idea. Let's take a look at that. We'll save it. We will turn it upside down and see what happens. Bricks on top. Hey, XRP army moving to Digibyte? Is it going up today or what? Let's take a look at Digibyte real quick. It sure does, huh? Was that, yeah, there was, oh no. Yeah, possibly. I mean, from the other day, yeah. Could be part of, partially from the XRP army. Digibyte's looking good though. We just need to get higher highs and higher lows on Digibyte. I have Digibyte. I also own vChain, which the other day I was telling you guys, that looks good. That looks good. Looks like it's ready to blow up. And it's been doing very well lately. Look at that. Damn, it's been a good year for vChain. And it's about to get even better. Because once it surpasses this 22-cent area, it's about to break out, and that'll set us up for all of 2021. So there is a lot of XRP being sold, and a lot of vChain being bought, and Cardano as well. Look at that! Oh, Cardano, baby. Yeah. Nice. Cardano's gonna. I hope you guys are in Cardano. Look at that. Wow. It's starting to show signs of parabolic trend. So, I have Cardano, vChain, and they're both doing very well in my portfolio today and yesterday. So Theta did well. People have been talking about Zill a lot lately. This one just broke out, man. That's great. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Oh, and price, that doesn't really matter though. I don't, because I think the circulating supply is different. The total supply is different. I think. I haven't really checked. I don't know what the supply is on Cardano, to be honest. Yeah, Dot's nice too. Dot's been doing well, I think. Well, let's go take a look at the top 10. Bitcoin Cash, let's see. From the other day we were looking at it. Let's see if it's moved. It seems like it should be going up pretty soon. Oh yeah, it moved. It moved. It's still going. This one looks like it wants to break out soon. But maybe one more dip first. Maybe one more like dip back to this support. It's pretty strong support. But it's tapped it a lot of times. Yeah, next time it comes to the support, which should be within a day or two, probably, it should start heading towards there. I'm going to try to get into a Bitcoin Cash trade. Since it's on PayPal. 45 billion, okay. Yeah, I think today they were the same price. I remember looking this morning, Cardano was 18 cents, XRP was 18 cents. So yeah, today Cardano surpassed XRP in price. Yeah, I like Cardano. I don't think it's overhyped at all. And I think people will start building. It's a very slow growing project though. And it does have a little too much of a centralized theme when it comes to the names of all these different like test nets and all that stuff. Stages. It's like all of Hoskinson's favorite people. And it's kind of odd, you know. Ada is kind of an odd, but yeah, the project's good. I mean, I think they're very, you know, doing things the right way for the future. I think this is a very long-term project. That's right, John. Yeah. Oh, so yeah, there was something I wanted to show you on Twitter right here about vChain. Full list of vChain's partnerships. Let's check that out. Shout out to Fancy Pants XRP. Okay, let's check out this list of vChain partnerships. vChain is a platform which I haven't talked about vChain in a long time on my channel. vChain is a platform which was created to enhance the management of the supply chain processes. It enables retailers and consumers to determine if the products that they buy are qualitative and authentic. The service has established partnerships with an impressive number of enterprises and businesses who are using this blockchain solution. Below we'll cover vChain partnerships and important information about each company. Okay. List of vChain partnerships. I've never heard of this. New Kuhn and Nagel. Supply chain, the revenue is $22 billion. They've been partners since 2016. Biggest global freight rewarder. Direct imported goods. Wine importer. vChain will be used to validate and trace winery data from the producers via supply chain using smart NFC chips in the wine bottles to end this counterfeit marketing. It's all coming. PwC is one of the biggest partnerships they have. The revenue is $37 billion. PricewaterhouseCoopers is one of the top 4 auditors in the world. The company's list of clients comprises IBM, Ford, Dell, Cisco, and 3M. They'll implement vChain's blockchain solutions to its big client base, enabling its clients to verify and trace where their products came from. It will also help provide credibility for future interested parties in vChain partnerships. The NRCC. I'm not going to go through all of these because that's just too much. Basically, I think it's looking bullish. Things are looking bullish for vChain. And all these companies wouldn't partner with them if they didn't have faith in them, I don't think. Yeah, Walmart China is using vChain. That's right. Clean energy. The Republic of Cyprus, national level vChain partnership. Walmart China and vChain work together on traceability platform. vChain is partnered with Walmart China in order to create the Walmart China blockchain traceability platform that is built on top of vChain Thor blockchain. The announcement regarding this platform and collaboration between Walmart China and vChain was made on June 25th. And yeah, the daily transaction volume on vChain is insane. It's really good. So the Walmart China is expected to be one of the most prosperous traceability products in the market at large scale that uses blockchain technology. Through this system, individuals will be able to know more about each product, including the source of the food. That's cool. And the whole logistics process. So I think that's why we're going to have this big reset. And after that, then things will change, but I think that's why the whole coronavirus thing happened. So we could reset the whole global supply chains. At the same time, we explain that this partnership is very important, not only for blockchain technology, but as a whole. But also for vChain. My question is, when is vChain going to start being used in the US? That's when the price is going to go nuts. Then it'll be a top 10 coin probably. But people don't like it as much because they say it's not decentralized. So. So I just want to share that with you real quick.
Mike,
Yeah.
do you think you'd be taking the dogs out today?
Probably.
Do you have any idea what time? Because I'm thinking about washing Chrissy.
Yeah, probably like half hour.
Oh, well then okay, I'll go ahead and get her washed.
Okay, cool. Sorry about that. All right, so. Okay, so let's see. Looks like I need to get going. Several killed and injured after strong earthquake. Croatia had an earthquake. Jay-Z, young thug says he has more stadium hits. Okay, I don't care. Stimulus checks are coming. How much will you get and when? Oh, I didn't know that. So crypto.com app is delisting XRP too. I didn't even see that. Yeah, it'll get worse before it gets better. That's what I'm thinking. So I think the lowest price would probably be 5 cents, to be honest. Something like 5 cents. It's a nascent market. Stimulus checks are coming. How much will you get and when? When will you get your check? You're likely to see the money quickly if the IRS has your direct deposit. Yeah, they have mine. Mnuchin has said that people would start seeing checks early this week. That was before Trump delayed in signing the bill. So we are going to get $600. I mean, Trump's supporting the $2,000 check. All right, I got to get going, guys. I got stuff to do, people to see, places to go, dogs to walk. So, oh, cool. SPQR Media. He's going to have a new vid in 1 hour. And they do very deep dives. And if you're concerned about the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, then that will be probably a dive that you won't want to miss. So, yeah, I'm going to get going. I got to go. I got stuff to do. And thanks for being here, guys. It's been a pleasure. It's been fun, as usual. So go out there and be good people. Look at the sun. Go Go sun gaze or something, you know? Forget about it. Forget about it all. And just go like barely open your eyes and just kind of, but do it like at sunset or sunrise. Get that sun, like get those live enzymes into your retinas and activating your DMT and stuff. Go ahead, try it out. All right, guys. So also just be good people. All right, and yeah, treat others like you would like others to treat you. Okay, like your neighbor. All right. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll probably maybe see you guys tomorrow. All right, and we'll see what happens. All right, see you guys. Crypto Mike out. Peace. Love you.